Hello everyone. My name is Eva, and I am your host throughout this video presentation. Today's tutorial comprises of two parts. In part 1, we will explore the procedure to configure your Magic Mouse's system preference setting to enable your computer's zoom scroll feature. In other words, how to manually turn on your zoom scroll so you can use it. In part 2, we shall use and see the zoom scroll feature employed in a practical demonstration to magnify the main menu bar located at the very top of your computer screen, thus enabling a far larger text to be viewed. In other words, a relatively quick and easy technique to read any teeny-weeny, microscopic-sized words or icons located anywhere on your screen. Additionally, you may also be pleased in knowing that I have no pants on. And yes, you did hear correctly. Let's now get started. Firstly, go to the main menu at the very top left of your screen. Click on the Apple icon. Select System Preferences. Go to and click on the Accessibility icon. Select Zoom. Locate the word phrase. Use scroll gesture with modifier keys to zoom. Click on the checkbox. In other words, tick it. Open the drop-down box and select Command as your new shortcut key. Also, take note and remember the new shortcut key. This key is to be used by you later on to enable the zoom scrolling feature when you require it in service. Now that your zoom scroll feature is enabled and ready for service, all that's left is to close the window and you're done. However, there are also other zoom features available on this window, and more contained within the More Options button that are worth checking out and experimenting with at a later date. In addition, there are also other mouse options available. Go to and click on the Show All button. Click on the mouse icon and check out these options. Click on the More Gestures tab and check in here for even more mouse options. Okay, enough of this. Let's now try out the zoom scroll feature in service. Go to the very top left of your screen. In particular, make dead sure that your cursor is actually located on the main menu bar and not anywhere below it. Now, using your finger, hold down the Command key on your keyboard with your left hand and keep the Command key constantly depressed. With the Command key constantly in the depressed state, next, use your finger and slowly scroll your mouse using your right hand. Keep scrolling your mouse in or out until the text is at exactly the size you require. Once the menu text is at the correct size, it pays to release and let go of the Command key completely to avoid any accidental resizing of your screen. You're now free to select any of the main menu's titles and inspect or select any subsequent subtitles. To get your desktop screen quickly back to normal, again, use your finger, hold down the Command key on your keyboard with your left hand, and keep the Command key constantly depressed. With the Command key constantly in the depressed state, next, scroll your mouse using a single finger, flicking type of motion as fast as you can. Again, use your Commando key. Oops, that was a Freudian slip, wasn't it? Well, really? I ask you, why should Pip and Squeak be the only ones to have Commando fun? Zoom scrolling works equally as well inside your browser window. And in a variety of other computer applications. Zoom scrolling is particularly excellent for closing any windows with those pesky little red X's. Well, that's all for this tutorial. We hope you found it informative, somewhat entertaining, and more importantly, easy to follow. This is your host Eva, and goodbye for now.